What happened? Why is everything black? Hello! Black Friday or Black Week? I don't know, I don't like this name. Cajon Week. Starting today, the Cajon Foundation course is on sale. If you are just starting to play the Cajon, this is the right course for you. If you go now to cajonmaster.com, you get 30% off when purchasing the course. And as we arrive at 1,000 subscribers on YouTube this week, I'm offering a free private lesson via Skype or FaceTime for each one that purchased the course Cajon Foundation during the sales week. Yes, it's true. This sales offer ends on Sunday at midnight. Don't lose this one. Start to play the Cajon today. See you very soon. Bye. Oh, it's black again. Bye.